Hey everyone, this is Vera from Decorative Diva. Today I'm going to show you Meow Cosmetics' new Lost Rainforest collection. First color up is Amazon. It's a really pretty forest green with some gold reflect. That's this color right here. Next color is ERU something? ERU. It's a really nice blue. It's a blue with kind of a gold and silver interface. Then we have Canopy, which is another green. It's definitely a darker golden green, maybe close to an olive green. Next color is Endangered. It's a purple shade with kind of like a light baby pink reflect. Next color is Expedition. It's a brown, and it's a interesting brown. It's got some interesting sparkles going on. The next color is Mantis, and if you've been around my blog, you know that I love aquas. It's this color right here. Up next we have Waterfall. It's like a dark kind of blue, not really, maybe an indigo. A lot of these colors do have a gold reflect with them. The next color is Toucan, which is a really pretty bright reddish pink. You can see it right there. Bromelade is the next color, and this one is so much fun. It's like a pink coral with gold, and I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to wear this color. Then we have Siren, which when it's swatched on is right here. It kind of looks like a burgundy wine with a little bit of gold. And then we have Macaw, which is a bright lemony yellow, and it's pure lemon yellow. Next we have Poison Dart Frog, which is a blue, and it's a stunning, it looks like it's lit from within, metallic blue. Then we have Nabao, which is a darker blue, and I really like this color. It reminds me of Max Deep Truth. It's dark with a dark violet reflect. Then we have Pitcher Plant, which is a bright happy green. We have a really interesting color called Meow, and it's got this it's like a kind of like a steely blue with a gold reflect. It's almost constantly looking two-tone. Very pretty. Next we have this green, which is Piranha, and that's this color right here. Then we have Torch, which is like a peachy orangey color. Next we have Boa, and I find this color really interesting because it's like an olive, drab, golden, smoky type color. Next we have Spider Monkey, which is a deeper brown shade. And next we have Tribal, which is kind of like a mauve with a pinkish cold reflect. Now I'm going to show you the blushes. The first one is Canna, and I absolutely love this. It's like a bright cherry iridescent pink. Now please note, with the blushes, I put this on primer, so it's going to be as bright and intense as possible. It's not going to look like this once you blend it down. The next color is Heliconia, which is a peachy pink. It's like a peachy pink coral. I think it's really pretty as well. Now I'm going to show you the glows. This first glow is Chameleon. It's got like copper and gold reflex. The next color is Morpho, and it's pink. The glows are highlighters, by the way. The third glow is Queen Alexandria, and it's like a buttery yellow. And that is the Lost Rainforest collection. I'm going to be doing looks from this collection and probably some tutorial videos the next couple days. I hope you like it.